Are you a home renovation business owner in Leicester looking to build authority in your industry? Building authority is essential to growing your business. Let's talk about SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, such as Google. By doing this, you'll increase your visibility online and attract more potential customers to your business. To start, you'll want to identify the keywords that your target audience is using to search for businesses like yours. Then you can optimize your website's content to include those keywords and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. But it's not just about keywords. To ensure your website is user-friendly, has high-quality content, and loads quickly. All of these factors can impact your website's SEO and help you rank higher in search results. That brings us to content marketing. By creating high-quality, informative blog posts, videos, and other types of content, you'll establish your business as an authority in your industry. This can help build trust with potential customers and ultimately drive more business your way. Finally, it's important to track your progress and measure your results. Use website analytics tools to monitor your website's traffic. By continually improving your SEO and content marketing strategies, you'll build authority in your industry and attract more customers to your Leicester home renovation business.